Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing project calculator. So here we are going to make calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here you can see in my web page here all the buttons with beautiful hovering effect which you can see. So let's try it. So let's add some numbers. So here we are going to add some numbers, then see it's adding. So here it will clear one digit, one by one, like backspace, and when you click on this it will clear all the input. So let's calculate some other. So see it's calculating very nicely. So it's 100% working, and it's a beautiful calculator using only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. If you like our work, please share it with your friends and come to our VS Code for here we have made our HTML file, CSS file and JavaScript file. So we are going to discuss one by one. So before that we are going to see first of all HTML. So here we have a HTML file in which I have written the calculator title. Then here I have linked my CSS file which you can see here. So then we have a div with class calculator in our body tag. Then in this div I have taken another div to display. So here class is display. In this I have taken input type text, result, id and disable. So this input which you can see here, I'll show you here. So here is the input box which you can see here, our input box. So here it will type whatever we will give input. See, so this input box. So for that now here we have another div with class button for the buttons. So here we have taken all the button for the button class. So we have this class operator for operators. So operator, what operator means, I'll show you here. This is C, division, multiplication. These are the operator and these are the operands. So here is the numbers. So here you can see here the numbers, whatever the number we have taken, 8, 9. So for that, so when we click clear the result, we have taken a function clear result which you can see in JavaScript. I'll show you. So first of all here we have taken on click event. It's a event when a user click what will happen. So here we have taken a function clear result. So similarly for CE button, so we have taken backspace on click. So similarly, so for division we have taken one more function append to result. So similarly for the all the numbers also we have taken append to result. Here we have passed the value 9. Here we have passed multiple. So multiply sign, division and all subtraction, everything. So we have a class number for operator with class operator. So we have a one more button. So here for calculating equal to, so it will calculate. So we have a taken calculate function in on click event. So then we have a linked our JavaScript file. So how this function will work when a user click? So this one will do with the help of JavaScript. So before that, let's discuss CSS. So here in our CSS file, we have a body tag. So here we have taken background image linear gradient, which you can see and copy in your code. So then we have a calculator class. So here you can see the calculator class. In this I have taken a background linear gradient, which you can see to bottom right. So then I have taken border radius 10 pixel, box shadow, display flex direction column, justify content center, align item center to make it in center. Then height I have taken 400 pixel, width 300 pixel. After that I have taken margin and padding, so it look perfect in position. So then we have a display class. Here we have a display class. So for the display, here you can see the display where our input is displayed. So for that, background white, border radius 5 pixel, and we have a beautiful box shadow. Then margin bottom 10 pixel, padding 10 pixel, and width 90%. This input box. So here for the input, display input, border none, font size 24 pixel, text align right, and width 100%. So here the whatever the text we are typing, see it's coming from right side. It's coming from right side, not this side. So for that, so now we have a button for the button display grid and grid template column repeat for. So here you can see 1 2 3 4. So in one row 4 buttons we have. So like for that we have written 4 here. So then grid gap 10 pixel and width 100%. So after that we have a button background linear gradient for the button, and then border none and border radius 5 pixel, then a beautiful box shadow, then we have a color of the text white. You can see here the white text. So now we have a cursor pointer. When you move cursor, it will become pointer. Then we have a font size 18 pixel, height 50 pixel, and we have a transition. So then here a button hover transform scale 1.1. So when you hover on it, its size get increased. So which you can see, I'll zoom you and I'll show you. See, its size is increasing when you hover on it. So for that we have a taken button hover scale 1.1. So here for the number grid column, so grid column we have a span 1. Then for operator grid column span 1 also, and a background linear gradient, and then we have a hovering on bottom right. So here we have operator. So for that hovering we have taken the beautiful hovering linear gradient. So then now come for our JavaScript file. So here is the main thing, how it will work. When a user click, so how it will work, so what will happen, what function will happen. So for that we have used JavaScript. The main thing is here. So now we have a, first of all we have let variable, let result equal to document.getElement by id result. So here we have a id result. So in input our id will display. So where our output will display here. So here we have a function append to result, and we have passed the parameter. Then we have result dot value equal to value. So here append result function, which you can see here. For that we have written whatever the user will give value, that will show. So then for clearing result result dot value equal to nothing, it become empty. So clear result. So here see, so see for this button which you can see here, clear result function we have a pass. So when a user click here, it become empty, it's become blank. So let's click. So here I click on see, so it's become empty. So now for backspace function, we have a result dot value equal to slice 0 comma minus 1. Means slice means what slice will do, it will cut that part. So here we are cutting that, slicing the 0 minus 1 means from back side we are going to decrease one digit only. So let's see how it will work. So let's type some digits. So when you click on this button, it will click one by one. So one by one it will clear. So now we have a function calculate. So for the calculation, so here let expression result dot value, whatever value it will get, it will show in this expression. So here let operand equal to, we are going to use split method. So here we have a split with this value, add, subtract, multiply and division. So now here we have a for operator match, if it's match for that. So then we have a operand 1. So here what pairs float does, so means it convert a string to float pointing number. So for that operand 0, and then for operand 2, operand pass the value 1. So here we have a result dot value to display the result. So we have taken this variable. Now we have a switch, then we have pass. So here we will pass one by one case. So in switch case we have pass plus, when a user give plus, so it will add operand 1 and 2. Then here it will break this loop. Then it will come for the subtraction. Then similarly for division and multiply. So after that, whatever the result of value, so here it will store in result value. So result value will store in result dot value. So here we have a result dot value. So here result dot value it will store, and it will give the value here. So like that we have created our beautiful calculator. So hope you guys like my project. If you like, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And if you have any doubt or anything, so let me chat in the comment section. I'll see your comments and I reply to you. So just you can type. And I have also one Instagram page at the red Becodewala. You can go and DM me on that, and you can follow on me on Instagram also for the latest updates. So thank you guys.